Are you getting ready to start some Invisalign?
Maybe.
Do you need to know how it all works? Time for some PFOing so you know where you're going. Hey everybody, welcome back to our next episode. We are in the office. You're gonna see some crazy lights because we've got those weird ceiling lights that mess with the video.
Oh, shoot.
But we're gonna show you what it's like to get Invisalign. Let's go. First, you're gonna need one of these. It's called an intraoral scan. This little wand right here, that's what captures a picture of your teeth. And you get a digital model that can be sent to Invisalign. Then, once you've got the digital scan sent to Invisalign, Invisalign will produce what we call a ClinCheck. And that's where your doctor or provider will work with Invisalign to move the teeth and get them to all nice and straight and just beautiful. That part of the process, that takes a little bit of time. And then once you've got the result, as you can see in this picture, Invisalign produces the total number of trays required to try and get those movements. It's all based on algorithms and the way that the teeth move. So, once you've gone through that, they send us your trays and we get to put them in your mouth. Then you come into the office and we have to deliver any attachments, right? The glue pieces that go on your teeth that help the trays stay on your teeth, that help the trays push your teeth into proper position. So here's what that looks like. Okay, so this is what our Invisalign delivery system or tray looks like. We got a few different things. We've got our scalers, we've got a mirror, we've got our wonderful cheek retractors. Remember, just like with braces, you've got to have dry teeth. Gotta have dry teeth. Then we have our glue system. This is a primer. And then we actually have the glue that make up the attachments. We have some scissors to help us adjust what we call the templates. I'll show you that in a second. And then we've got a little high-speed handpiece that helps us clean up the glue. This right here is our glue dispenser. That's what we use to deliver the glue into the template. And then here's our light curing device. And then of course you need Mr. High-speed suction, and then the spit suction, and then the air water. We're gonna use all of those. So now you know what the instruments look like that we use to deliver the attachments. I took pictures here to show you what we call the template. The template is what you put the glue into first. It's basically the initial tray that fits your teeth before you've done any movement. You put the glue in the trays and we pack it in there, and then we put those trays around your teeth and push it on and then light it. So those are called the templates. It's a different plastic, it's thinner, but that's how we get the attachments onto your teeth in the right positions based off of the 3D simulation. Let's show you what it's like to put them on the teeth and deliver the attachments. Here we go. All right, so one of the first processes is kind of like the braces. You gotta put in these cheek retractors. You put in the cheek retractors to keep all the spit off your teeth. And then we're gonna use this air water and we blow off all the teeth to make them really dry. And then we put some of our tooth cleaning material on all the teeth that need to get attachments, right? It looks like you might be getting a shot, but you're not, I promise. And then we're gonna wash this off, make sure all the teeth are nice and clean. It might be hard to tell, but now everything is cleaned off. You can see that some teeth are extra white, and that means that they're cleaned and ready to go. Cleaned and dried and ready for the attachments and our little liquid polish that we put on to help with the glue. In our office, we deliver the attachments based on quadrants. Remember in another video I showed you can divide your mouth into 4 sections. And so we cut the template into different sections and then deliver the attachments. So we've got our last section left, and we're gonna show you what it's like. You can see the plastic on the rest of the teeth. Again, polish on the areas where we're going to put the glue. All right, so now we're ready to put the tray in with the next set of attachments. See all those little bumps on the side, and then we're gonna use the light. Push those on. And we use the light to push on those attachments. Try to push them against the teeth. Okay, so we took the retractors out. We still have the templates in each of the different sections. And we're going to have you rinse out with water, and then we'll try to get these trays out. Sometimes the attachments don't stick the first time, just like the braces, and so what you do is you pull out the templates, you check all of the attachments. If there's some that didn't stay, the technician or the orthodontist will decide if they want to put it back on right then, or if they want to hold off until another visit. And then comes the part where we give you your trays and instruct you on how to wear those trays. So much fun. Fun. So there you have it. That's how you get your Invisalign trays. It's probably one of the longer appointments in the Invisalign process. process. Before you leave, you'll learn how to take care of the trays, how to get them in and out, if you need rubber bands, how to use them with the trays. So be sure to ask your orthodontic assistant or your orthodontist all these questions before you leave. They'll take really good care of you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments about your experience getting Invisalign, leave a comment below. And of course, consider subscribing to the channel so that I can continue to open your eyes to the wonderful world of straight teeth and beautiful bites. That's all I've got. Just a little PFOing so you know where you're going. Packard out.